Well, we had the door for quite some time and it wasn't closing very well, and because over time the sun hits this and this thing was starting to warp. So that was a real big thing. Now the door just opens and closes like that, whereas before we had to throw the handle up and do things like that. So that was a must thing. That's made a huge difference. But the window at the back, which we got done at the same time, and the door, it was also showing its age a bit, having been provided 20 years ago. So we thought doing both at the same time would be a good idea. The windows that we've done before had a pane, a split pane, like 1/3, 2/3 pattern. But the 1/3 was right in front of where we have our breakfast, and we look out into the back garden, and that's where we have a number of bird feeders, and we get lots of birds feeding come to our back garden, which we like. So when we came to do the replacement, we decided to make that the big pane, the 2/3, and the 1/3 put to the side. And now we've got an uninterrupted view of the bird feeders, which is good. Well, there was no hassle. Number one, how we dealt with everyone, and from the sales guy right through, there wasn't any hassle at all, which made life easy for me. And when the guys came, you could see that they were into their job and they knew what to do. Even down to the guy who came afterwards with a painter, and he stained the wood and he painted the back door, and overall it was a good quality job. I would recommend C.R. Smith, no problem. We could have gone round and got various quotes on a number of different suppliers, manufacturers, but I just know the name of C.R. Smith, and it's almost associated with Dunfermline. And if there's going to be a hassle, they're all here. And I just always have the opinion that you can do a few shortcuts, but there's no shortcut to quality.